Welcome back, everyone. You may be having some issues with your iPhone phone quality, or for some reason you're just having really bad and poor audio quality from your specific iPhone. Now, one thing you need to understand is that with your iPhone, the speaker grill isn't the bottom, and it's actually right here, right next to the camera. So I will tell you, if the first thing I'll recommend doing is making sure that this specific speaker up here is cleaned out. If you have a bunch of dirt and earwax and stuff built into that specific hole, you're not going to really get good audio quality no matter what you do. So I'd recommend getting like a cotton swab, getting maybe like nothing more crazier than a cotton swab to be honest, and kind of cleaning out and prying any dirt and stuff that you may have on this top earpiece. Now I'd recommend doing another call. If it's good, if it sounds great, then you're set. If that doesn't sound good still, you may want to make sure you have good signal in the first place and the person you're calling also has good signal. If you're in an area with horrible connection and you just have really bad Wi-Fi and you just have a really bad internet connection in general, or data connection or cell connection, you're not going to get good audio quality. So the very next thing I would recommend doing is making sure you have a strong signal. So you can make your way over to your settings. You can go under your phone setting, which is down here, and you can turn on Wi-Fi calling, which is important, or you can go up here, make sure you're connected to a good Wi-Fi connection, and under cellular, make sure your signal comes up, make sure you have bars and everything, and try making that phone call again. Most of the time, this will pretty much fix it. If you have signal enough to go watch this video, you should be good enough to go ahead and give another call, and that will probably end up fixing the issue. If you have a really old iPhone or a really old phone in general, the audio quality may not be that good in the first place compared to the newer ones. So you're probably better off getting used to that bad audio quality or upgrading to another phone that can probably fix it. But if that audio quality is still extremely bad and you have a pretty new iPhone like this and you're pretty much like you just don't know what's going on, you may want to actually contact Apple support and have them take a look at your iPhone, because you may have a failing speaker grill up here, and no matter what you do, you can't really fix it. You're just going to have to kind of either get it replaced or buy a new phone. So those are pretty much a couple ways to fix that poor audio quality if you're getting and receiving bad audio. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.